In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on TikTok in 2026. The first thing you need to focus on is hooking your viewers in the first 3 seconds. Start with a bold visual, a strong question, or an interesting text graphic. If you do not grab attention immediately, people will scroll past. Also, keep re-hooking your viewers every few seconds with transitions, new text, or clip changes to keep them watching to the end. Post videos that are longer than 60 seconds when possible. The TikTok algorithm in 2026 is favoring longer, high-quality content that keeps people watching over short clips. Optimize your profile. Write a specific bio that clearly tells people what your content is about. For example, something like daily recipes for busy parents. Add a call to action like follow for daily tips, so new visitors know exactly why they should follow you. Use the playlists feature to organize your videos into categories. This encourages people to binge watch your content, which is a strong signal to the algorithm. Reply to every comment on your videos. This keeps your video active in the algorithm for longer and builds a strong community around your page. Use only 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. Too many hashtags can confuse the algorithm about who your target audience is. Use the duet and stitch features to interact with trending videos in your niche. This exposes your profile to the audiences of popular creators. Post 1 to 3 times daily and check your TikTok analytics to find out when your audience is most active. Post during those peak times for the best results. That is how you do it.